Gina with WTI. And if you find yourself using your phone as a flashlight to find things in your cupboard or in your closet, then you definitely need these motion sensor lights from Silingmo. It's so satisfying to be able to just open my cupboard door, reach in for something, and have these pop on. They're 148 LED lights and they get super bright, but you can also set them to be lower in light and exactly the right brightness that you want. There's also 3 different tones of light. I prefer the middle one, which is kind of in between a bright white and a warm light. They also have 3 different settings for motion sensor. You can choose to have them on all the time or just when they sense movement or just at night. And I really love that option because it gives you control of when you want them to come on. These are 15.7 inches and they come with really nice brackets to be able to stick them on any surface that you want. I love the brackets because it helps them to not slip out of place if you accidentally bump against one of them. These are rechargeable, which I love because I hate running out of batteries when something dies. And this is great because they come with charging cords and you can simply plug them in and charge them and they're ready to go. There's no reason to be in the dark anymore. You absolutely need these LED motion sensor lights. They are amazing, and that's my point of view.